In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Shopify payments quickly and easily so you can start accepting payments from customers on your online store. First, go to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left corner, then select Payments. Inside the Payments section, click on Activate Shopify Payments or choose a provider depending on your store setup. Next, enter your business details including your business name, address, banking information, and tax details. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid payout issues later. After filling everything out, review the details carefully and click Complete Setup or Save. You can also enable additional payment methods like PayPal, cash on delivery, or manual bank transfers from the same section to give customers more checkout options. Once activated, your Shopify store will be ready to securely accept online payments from customers. Thanks for watching.